Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add discount price on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, open Shopify dashboard after logging into your Shopify store. And then after opening Shopify dashboard, from the left menu bar, click on the discounts option. After clicking the discounts button, click on the create discount button. And now select the type of discounts, whatever you want. Here I have selected amount of products, which is a product discount. So now we have to click generate button that will generate a discount code. And after that the code will be generated. Now you have to set the date and select all the options if there are any minimum purchase requirements or any customer eligibility or any maximum discount uses. So you will set it up, and then you will definitely set the dates that you want it to be active, the start date, the time, and the end date, and then click on the save discount button. So that's how you will add discount price on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.